Hey, we're at the ISC Building. Inside you'll find more classrooms, the Student Center, you'll find financial aid and enrollment offices. You can meet with your advisors. Tons of stuff that's going to help you get going on your new semester are located right here in this building. So let's go see it. Hey, we are at the Collins Student Center. Here you will find the student lounge area. It's a great place to come between classes to fuel up, do some studying, get ready for your next set of classes. Also in this building is the Career Services Department. If you have any questions at all about choosing a major, choosing your course load, and what career path you're wanting to take, these people here will certainly set you on the right path. Hey, we just left the Collins Student Center. We are in the middle of the ISC building. Here we have classrooms 103 all the way down to the end of the hall to 119. You'll also find in the ISC building the Excel offices. If you are part of the Excel program, you'll spend some time in these offices. And we also have transfer representatives from some of our partner colleges that once you finish your 2-year program here at Virginia Highlands and you want to transfer to a 4-year school, someone is in this office 1 day a week to answer any transfer questions you might have and get you going to the school of your dreams. We are still in the ISC building. On this end of the hallway, we are going to find classrooms 137 all the way down to 155. On the other end of this hallway, we have our Campus Connection Center, and we also have Student Services. Campus Connection is going to get you straightened out with any type of financial aid issues or enrollment, things like that. Student Services also can do the same thing. You can meet with your advisors, register for classes, apply and fill out your FAFSA, everything you need to get going to knock this semester out of the park.